Today we are going to learn few words related to a party. Are you ready? Everyone are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So today we will learn words related to a party. Okay. And before reading the words or before knowing the words related to the party, let us watch a small video of party. Shall we? Show me thumb. Yes, very good. So I'll share the screen. Here we go. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So now look at the screen, everyone.
Oh yeah! Preschool pop stars. Are y'all ready for this? We're gonna have a dance party. Get on your feet and move to the beat. Come on!
Voice is okay, children? Is it okay? Yeah.
It's the daycare dance party. We're dancing at the daycare.
Get up, everyone. Get up. Stand. Come on, fast. I want you people also to do. Ready? Tarini, get up. Stand. Janvi, ready? Tanvisri, everyone are ready? Yeah, let's rock it. Start.
Oh yeah! Preschool pop stars. Are y'all ready for this? We're gonna have a dance party. Get on your feet.
Come on, yes.
And move
Brinda.
to the beat. Come on! It's the daycare dance party. We're dancing at the daycare. So now here's your chance, shorty. If you can dance, dance, say
Very good, very
yeah.
good.
It's party time, so hold our calls. We're not playing with a baby doll.
Stand up and do, everyone.
We're not shooting hoops with basketballs, but we're getting down with all of y'all.
Yay!
At the daycare dance
Very
party.
good. Good, Janvi. Tanvisri. Ashita, very good, very good. Yes, Pradiksha.
Now here's your
Sintha.
chance,
Sai Ritvik,
shorty.
good, good.
If you
Isuryansh,
can
come on.
dance, dance, say yeah. Daycare dance party. Dancing
Very
at
good,
the
Tarini.
daycare.
Dhriti, Manha, Joshit.
I
Very
say,
good.
here's your chance, shorty. Dance.
One more time.
Oh yeah! Preschool pop stars. Are y'all ready
Yes.
for this?
Good.
We're gonna have a dance party. Get on your feet and move to the beat. Come on!
Jump.
It's
See how the toys are
daycare
jumping.
dance party.
Very good.
We're dancing at the daycare. So now here's your chance, shorty. If you can dance, dance, say yeah. It's party time, so hold our calls. We're not playing with our baby dolls. We're not shooting hoops with basketballs.
Very good, very good.
But we're getting down with all of y'all. At the daycare dance party. We're dancing at the daycare. So now here's your chance, shorty. If you can dance, dance, say yeah. Daycare dance.
Very good, very good, very good, children. Very good. Superb. Good, good, good. Did you enjoy? Yes? We had a nice party, right? Enjoyed, everyone? Yes. Very good, very good. So now let us learn some words related to the party. Shall we? Shall we see now? Yes. Let us watch. I'm going to share the PPT now. Look at the screen. Party invitation. And everyone, look at the screen, children. Look at the screen. Very good. See, wow. We all love these things. Party. See, candy. What is the first one you have here? Candy. You love candy?
Yes.
Yes, candy. And
Yeah.
next what we have?
Balloon.
Yes, what do we have the next one? Balloons. After balloon, we have
Cake.
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 Very good. Next, after the cake,
Party popper.
no, confetti. Confetti.
Confetti.
It's confetti. We blast it while someone is cutting the cake or dancing, right?
Yes.
Yes, confetti. And next one, what do we have there?
Cupcake.
Yeah, cupcake. And after the cupcake,
Costume.
costume. Yeah.
Costume.
Now look at the costume, children. I said, yesterday, based on the theme, the costume will be planned. See, one boy is looking like a king, and the one is like a skeleton, and one is like a Spider-Man. Yeah, these are all the different costumes. And after the costume, what do we have? Decorate. Yeah. So party means decoration, right? We will do decoration. Yes, party decoration. We'll decorate our home with lots of balloons, ribbons.
Yes.
Yes, and feast. See,
Feast.
next one we have feast. Lots of things we have.
Feast.
Yes.
Ma'am, feast means what, ma'am?
Here, like eating all the eatable things, like meat we have. Yeah. Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So once again, we will read all these things. Read what is the first one? Candy. Come on, read everyone. What is the first one?
Candy.
Candy. Next. Shh.
Candy.
Okay, after candy,
Balloon.
balloon. Next one,
Balloon.
cake. Very good, cake. And the next one,
Confetti.
confetti. And the next one,
Next one, cupcake.
cupcake. And the next one, next one,
Costume.
costume.
Decorate.
Decorate. Decorate
Feast.
after feast. Very
Feast.
good. Very good.
Feast.
Very good, children. So after this, we have some more words. Let us see now. Let us see some more. Yay! Wow! Gifts. Wow! Nice, no? Who want these gifts? I only want all the gifts. I will take all the gifts. Yes? Okay. So what is the first one we have there? Gift. Gift. And next one, what do we have there?
Paper plate.
Paper plate. And the next one?
Glitter.
Glitter. Yes, we use glitters to decorate, right? Yes. Next one, present. Present is also a gift. It is also a gift, like, right? Next, a wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper.
Yeah, we use yes. Yes, wrapping papers. We use these wrapping papers to pack our gifts, right? Good. And next one, after the wrapping papers, what do we have?
Guest.
Guests. Guests are very important for the party, right? Without guests, can we celebrate our party?
No.
No. Yeah.
Guest means goodie bag. And
Yes. Yes.
Good day bag. Next, ma'am.
Next one is goodie bag.
Goodie bag means what, ma'am?
Goodie bag means the bag in which we drop some gifts or presents to give to our guest. Okay. Goodie bag. You can see there the picture of goodie bags are there. No? Yeah. Next one, party hats.
Party hat.
Yes. And after the party hats, what do we have there?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. Yes, ribbons. And why we use ribbons? What are the uses of ribbons? What? Yes, tell me. Why we'll use these ribbons?
To wrap presents.
To wrap presents or to decorate our walls, right? To decorate the walls, presents. Okay, good. And sparklers. Yeah, small crackers, sparklers we use for our party, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, children.
Ribbon
Yes,
means what, ma'am?
Huh?
Ribbon means what, ma'am?
Ribbons, satin ribbons we get, no? See here, gifts are packed with some ribbons. You can see, no, on the gifts.
Yes,
Yes. So those are the ribbons, okay? We use ribbons to pack the gifts or to decorate the walls. Okay. Okay. Now, see, children, okay, these are all the words of party. Children, the most important thing is to celebrate the party is invitation card. First, we have to make an invitation card to invite our guest. Yes or no? Without invitation card, without inviting them, will our guests come to our home to celebrate the party? Will they come?
Yes.
Without invitation card?
No.
No. So we need to prepare an invitation card to invite our guest for the party, right?
Yes.
Yes. And after the invitation card and after the celebrations, once the party is finished, then we have to say thank you for them for joining us to celebrate the party, to enjoy the party. So that is called a thank you note. So we have to prepare a thank you note also. We have to say thank you for joining us and celebrating the party. Yes. So we have to give a thank you note. We have to make a invitation card. So shall we make it now? Shall we make it now? Yes. We will see now. We'll see what is a thank you note and what is a invitation card. Let's see. See, this is a thank you note. Look at the screen. Thank you note. It was a party to cherish forever. Thank you for celebrating with us. Yes. So here we are just thanking them. We are thanking our guest for joining us, for celebrating with us, right? And what is the invitation? See here, invitation card includes, yeah, when the party is, on what date, which day, okay, and which month, and place, and the place of the party. So all these things are very important to make a invitation card. You can see here Christmas party, Wednesday, 25 December, best Christmas party of the year, Christmas party at 8 p.m. Entry price 205. So entry price is given here. So this is the invitation card. Now we will make an invitation card for your birthday. Now, for example, you imagine that your birthday, you are going to celebrate your birthday and you have to invite Siddharth. Yes. So, invitation card, let us make. And what you have to do, children, now, you have to take some color papers. Okay. Some color papers and you have to cut those color papers in the shape of cake or party hat or balloons. Okay. Or some stars, decorative things. Like that you have to cut. We are going to cut. Okay, small shapes of the party things. And then we will make the invitation card like this. See, this is the invitation card. See, look at the screen, everyone. Nice, no? See, you are invited. You are invited. Ria is celebrating. See, children, here you have to decorate your invitation card like this. What? How you are going to write? Sai Joshit, settle down fast. Listen here. Janvi, sit down fast. Listen here. So we are going to make an invitation card based on this. See here, you are invited. Here I wrote Ria. You can write your own name. Who is going to celebrate the birthday on March? How many of you are going to celebrate birthday in this month? Raise hand. Okay, K. Ashrita. Manha. Ashrita, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in the September 1st.
September 1st. In March month, who is having? Manha?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 3rd.
Are, I asked you who is celebrating in this month. Tanvisri is celebrating, I know. Tanvisri?
Ma'am, today Swanita birthday, ma'am.
Today?
Swanita birthday.
Swarnika birthday.
Yes.
And Swarnika is there in the class?
I don't know, ma'am.
I don't think so. She's not there. Yes, she's there. Swarnika? Swarnika? Swarnika, unmute yourself. Invitation card means you have to mention a proper date, time, and day also. See, time 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Yes. So they will come by 4 o'clock. Evening 4 o'clock they will come, and by 7 o'clock our party will finish and they can leave. Okay. And venue. What is the meaning of venue? Venue means your address where your friends has to come. Ria's house. Where is the birthday party? In the Ria house only. Yes. And where is Ria's house? Ria's house is in Hanmakonda, and house number is also given. See, 2312 543. So this is the house number. So now the address is clear. The address is clear, children. Yes. Address is clear. Now you can go to the Ria's house for the birthday party. Shall we go? Today we will go to Swarnika's house for birthday party. Yes, all we will go to her house. We will ask Swarnika to prepare one invitation card and send invitation card to all of us. Okay. Yes. So this is invitation card. You must learn how to make it. Now open your notebooks, everyone. Open your notebooks. Take out your English notebook. Fast. Yes. Write today's date, children. 3-3. Notebook. Take out your notebooks. Dictation you wrote, no? That book. No problem. Make it fast, children. The time is running out. Yes, Swarnika. On your camera, beta.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయి కూర్చోను వీడియో ఆన్ చేయి కూర్చో కూర్చో తల్లి
Wow, Swarnika, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on, children. Let's sing birthday song for her, everyone. Come on, let's sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
You.
Happy
Dear Swarnika. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless dear Swarnika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Swarnika.